to be done with precision. Nah, what are you doing? You gonna try?
Yeah.
This was kind of like my glory. Don't lean in.
I have to see what I'm doing.
Okay. Very careful. Very careful. So don't push down.
Stop talking right now.
Ah! Did you just try to touch that?
Yeah.
Wash your hands. At this. What do you think of your husband?
Brilliant.
Yes! Say it again.
Brilliant.
Say it again.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Oh shit. Oh no.